In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and send automatic emails. To follow along, you need the PyWin32 library installed. You can do this by doing pip install PyWin32. You also need the Outlook application installed on your computer with that said. The first step is to import win32com.client. For this example, I imported as win32. The next step is to open Outlook. We can do this by sending a variable called Outlook equal to win32.dispatch and in the parentheses put outlook.application. Next we need to create an email. I did this by sending email equal to outlook.createItem and in the parentheses put 0. The 0 here represents a plain email to give the email subject. All we need to do is put email.subject and set that equal to whatever we want. For this example, I put test. Next I set email body format equal to 3. The 3 here gives the email in HTML format. Next, for the body text, I put email body and set that equal to wow much text. To send the email to someone, we do email.to and then put the person's email address. To automatically send the email, we can do email.send with open and close parentheses. Putting email.display with open and close parentheses displays the email without sending it. When I run the code, you see the email pops up, automatically filling in all the information we gave it, like, share and subscribe.